The flexibility of a stem helps it sway and withstand the storms, while the roots keep the tree grounded. Flexibility is the fulcrum that keeps stability during the changing times. Presenting Flexotech, a company that has stood strong through its roots that have spread far and wide in our 20-year journey. While the roots of experience help to keep ground, the stems of flexibility add to it. Our founders have nurtured the growth of Flexotech, taking to 6 countries and 2,500 plus customers. Our key success factors: 60,000 square feet state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, advanced technology machines and modern equipments, capability to handle voluminous customized orders, infrastructure to stock variety and wide range of raw goods. Located in Southeast Asia's largest industrial hub, Peenya Industrial Estate in Bangalore, the second unit in Mysore. Excellent logistical connectivity with air, sea and surface, well-equipped marketing team and skilled human resources. We have adopted new technologies and are adept with the modern machinery to accelerate productivity. We are an ISO 9001-2015 certified company delivering premium quality products. We have been rewarded Star Assembler certification by Parker for robust process and operational excellence in each area of operations. We are known for our keen eye to detail and customization. We identify customers' pain points and design solutions to resolve them. Our customers approach us for their requirements, and due to our flexibility, we are able to produce the required results to the T. We are the authorized dealers for Parker products. Strategic pricing through value engineering for the customers, along with perfection with complex compositions, are achieved. Efficient vendor management, compounded with timely clearance of payables to our vendors, has helped us maintain a good relationship with them. This provides us with best-in-class products at competitive prices, thus helping clients to cut costs. It brings accuracy in production and delivery. The ability to deliver also comes from the large inventory of raw materials we maintain in order to manufacture at a short notice.
The trust, reliability and credibility with our customers are a testimony to the precision in quality and delivery. We have been able to consistently achieve this due to our effective supply chain management.
We believe it is our people first and processes next. Our people have been the edifice of our enterprise. Productivity and process are two sides of the success coin. Our process for higher productivity starts with analysis of the requirement. Design process commences, getting the infrastructure in place for the production to commence. The product is manufactured. The product is then pressure tested and quality checked. The product is then ready for delivery. Our USP is our instant production and daily dispatch. The product is packed and dispatched. Work order numbering is crucial to ensure payment and clearance. After-sales support is the most important of all. This support gets us repeat orders due to our customer relationship. This process has helped us become the most preferred choice of OEMs and the single source point for the widest product range used in multiple applications.
Flexotech is strongly committed to engage resources in a systematic and phased manner in the areas of process improvement and technology upgradation for a mutual and sustained growth.
Major OEMs conduct a periodical audit of our quality system and approved as an OEM vendor to supply a wide range of hydraulic hose products. Some of the segments that have approved Flexotech products as their vendor are steam turbine manufacturers, metro rail brake system manufacturers, construction equipment manufacturers, pharmaceutical manufacturers, hydraulic tippers kit manufacturers, machine tools manufacturers, power pack manufacturers, wood processing machine manufacturers.
Flexotech products' comprehensive range of hydraulic fittings ensure to fulfill today's application requirements. We manufacture adapters, elbows and tees in mild steel and stainless steel grades such as SS303, 304, 316 and 316L. We do carry out periodic in-process inspection using calibrated thread ring and plug gauges, thus ensuring a stringent quality check.
The process with which the assembly line works has been engineered to perfection by experts. Our customers rest their complete confidence in our ability to produce accurate results due to our impeccable supply chain management.
We have systems in place and we follow process approach discipline across entire value chain in the manufacturing process. We have best shop floor practices like FIRES and Kaizen by engaging all the employees in the organization. We keep adapting to the customer requirements from time to time with latest trends and technologies by valued process automation and value engineering.
With top-notch quality in all customized products, our customer retention is at an impressive 95%.
At Flexotech Products, our vision is to provide complete fluid transfer solutions, right from the inception of projects to effective plant maintenance at various sectors like steel plants, paper mills, construction equipments and automobile sectors.
Flexotech has catered to a myriad of industries, creating customized products to precision. With skilled and talented resources, meticulous processes to follow, and stringent delivery timelines, Flexotech is synonym to stability combined with flexibility.